when you saying help us relocate, we're just going out on our own and, like I'm saying, and go into a place, and we would have to live there and like rent or something, or and pay out with our own money. Is what you're saying?
That's a good question. Can I connect? I would like to connect. Do you allow me 1 second to connect
Okay,
him on
that's
the
the
call?
part I want to understand, because in order, if we moved out and it's just my income right now, I don't know that we'd be able to
Yeah.
find somewhere.
Let me talk. Let Allow me 1 second.
Mhm.
I'm gonna merge the call with him.
Okay.
Okay, so I can be on the same page with him because I like to see if we can give you guys an advance while the property is gone. But let me confirm because I don't know if I can do that really.
Right.
Give me 1 second, please. Don't hang up.
Mhm. Okay.
Don't hang up. I'm on the phone with him right quick. Okay.
Okay.
I'm back. I'm back, Judith. I
Okay.
just spoke with John. I have good news. We actually are gonna be able to help you guys relocate before because we understand that you're gonna wait for almost 2 months before you actually receive, the amount of money, the 170. So
Mhm.
you need to figure out how much are you gonna need to relocate. But so we can get you between 10 and 15,000 as an advance.
Mhm.
So that money is gonna come out of your total
170.
once we
Right.
get the property. That way you can be relaxed, waiting for your money while we work, and you are not gonna feel like you're gonna be struggling.
Mhm.
Do you think that will help you?
Give us a couple of days to think about it and discuss it, and look into where we want to relocate to.
Okay, no, that's fine. Actually, just wanna say hi and
Oh.
clarify if there's any doubt before you guys take a few days actually to talk more in depth about your decision.
Mhm.
Would that be okay if he give you a quick call? Because I'm not normally the one who explains the offers, and he wants to make sure that there's no misunderstanding and that you're clear on how we can help you.
Okay. Can he call tomorrow?
Yeah, of course. Around what time?
Okay. Actually, anytime, like noon or tomorrow afternoon.
Of course, definitely. I will tell him to give you a call, probably around 4 p.m. Lisa, or 2 p.m.
Okay, that sounds really good.
3
Because
p.m.
I have some things this evening I have to take care of in here in just a
Of
little
course.
bit. So
No, of course, no problem, no worries. My pleasure. I really hope we can actually help you guys get
I do
to
too.
where you want. And I believe it's gonna be easier now knowing that you can relocate and have an advance, and that way you don't have to figure out so much. Just find a place.
Right.
All right,
Okay, I
Judith.
appreciate that. Okay,
No,
and yes.
pleasure. My pleasure.
All right, and I will be looking forward to his call or your call tomorrow.
All right. God bless you. Good night.
Thank you. God bless you too.